Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, September the 8th, 2022. We have only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And I've not so good news because we have in this newspaper no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. That means I need to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition of Wednesday, September the 7th. And yeah, no puzzles, no extra puzzles. There are 3 puzzles left in yesterday's edition, so I will do that later in the evening. But first, this regular puzzle, the Sudoku Medium. And what's the news of today? Well, sad news. We have sad news again. The Queen of England, Great Britain, Queen Elizabeth, yeah, passed away. Yes, passed away, 96 years old. Yeah, so sad news, but we will continue with the puzzles. All right. Sudoku Medium. This will be number 5141. 5141. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars with 26 printed digits. For 26 printed digits, you need the time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me see. We have 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for 2 should be there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the last column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next to only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. You see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7, lucky 7, okay. How about the number? Let me see which number can I pick. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Thinking 3, 3, 3, 3. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, last row. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. right. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. Yeah, 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Cannot mark them at this moment. Need to wait. We have a 4 missing numbers here in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. And all the ones I used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Oh, wait. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. Ooh, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here or there in the middle row. Here or there. We see another 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay, then, let me see. How about the 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. Okay. Let me think. 3, 3. 6, thinking. 7, 3, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Come on. Where's the opening? The 2. 1, 2, 3. The 8, 5, and the 6, 3, 5. Yeah. No. 5, 8, and the 6. 5, 8, and the 6. No. 8, 2, 4. 8, 2, 4. 8, 2, 4. 8, 2, 4. Come on, where's the opening? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, and the 8. 8. Wow. Come on. 6, 6. 2, 2, 2. Okay, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there in this big square. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those two boxes. In this column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 7, 4, 1, 5, 8, and then 9. 5, 8. 5, 8. Cannot be here. 8. Ooh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, and look, we have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. Here 9 in this column. Oh, 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. That means that this box cannot be 5 or a 9. The 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 here in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 missing numbers, 5 and 8. We have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and the 8 cannot fill this yet. Come on. 6 and the 8. We have the 5. 1, 7. The 9. 9 in this row. The 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6 and the 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 now in the first row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And 8 goes there, 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. Then the 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 now in the middle row, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles. Not in today's newspaper, but in the yesterday's edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.